Hi, my name is Lisa Medved, and this is my introduction video for our class. I am married and have 2 children, and I live in Pueblo, Colorado. I have 17 years teaching experience in elementary, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grades. 13 of those years I spent teaching in Title I public schools and 4 years in public charter school. And that's where I currently teach, and I teach 3rd grade. The impact of ideas and technology in the classroom is quite varied. I see an impact in time, extra time needed for training and for implementation of technology, especially for me. There is an impact on money and budgets, increased costs to purchase, maintain, and then also deal with upgrades, upgraded apps, upgraded operating systems that seem to be changing quite frequently. There is an impact with technology and innovative ideas and student engagement and also enjoyment in the classroom. And I see an impact on my efficiency using technology in the classroom based on some assessments I can give online on the computer where they are scored already. They keep the data for me, and there's several programs that can create different charts and tables that show student data, student growth, student achievement. So I'm able to more quickly use that information to help me. So in my classroom, I currently am using my laptop computer, which I use most of the day from the beginning of the day when I start attendance. Then we do math lessons with an online program. Then I have it up for presentations of slides I've created, notes for the kids, different videos or images that I use. I have a smart board in my classroom, so that serves as my screen, but also as a tool that I can use to I often use it for a review for students for social studies and science content. I have 5 iPads, mini iPads in my classroom that I use for during our rotations for Moby Max and Spelling City, and also for AR tests for reading. I also have 3 classroom computers that I use. They're Macs, and I use them basically for the same thing I use my iPads for. What I think needs improvement is I need to utilize my smartboard more effectively for my students, and I need to acquire and use more apps on the iPads and acquire more iPads since I have 5 and I have 24 students. So my proposal for improvement in my use of technology in the classroom is to acquire more iPads and apps, and that for the purpose of increasing student engagement and also student achievement. And I also would like to make better use of my smartboard. Funding for these is not in the budget at school, so I have acquired more iPads in the past and apps in the past through a readathon we do in the spring where the students gain pledges, and then that money is used at the elementary level, K-5, for technology. I've also looked into doing a Donors Choose project to acquire more iPads for my room. Increased use of the smartboard really doesn't need any funding. It just is time for me to find programs that I can use with the kids where they're up and engaged using the smartboard, touching the smartboard, and manipulating things on the smartboard, and then or also creating things for the smartboard. So it's just time is the cost there. So I want to thank you for looking at my video, and best wishes for the class in this upcoming semester.